Okay, so on the top right corner, go here, go to display, click on this arrow. You can simply click on night shift and it's on. For more settings, you can click on display settings. Now, if you can't find it here, don't worry. On the left side, go to this Apple icon, system settings, scroll down, displays, and at the bottom here we have this night shift. Now here we have this schedule. You can simply click on turn on until tomorrow, or maybe if you want to give it a schedule, then click here, a custom schedule. Give any timings like from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., or maybe you simply click on sunset to sunrise. Now if you want to increase the density of the temperature, you can shift it from here to move on and click done.